Hi friends, we're going to be talking about, so after expanded form, we're going to be turning the page and we are going to be talking about the powers of 10. Okay, the powers of 10. So the powers of 10, we're talking about something called exponents. Now an exponent is the little number that is up high next to another number. So I'm just going to say this is powers, in case you can't see that, of 10. Now this is not going to work for any number that the notes that we're doing today except for 10. Okay, so the first thing is that we need to know is the base. Okay, the base is the number that's repeated. Now after I give you these definitions, I will explain it and I will show you a couple examples, and then Mrs. Sirota will give you more examples for you to practice. Okay? The next thing is, what is an exponent? It is the number that tells you how many times the base is used as a factor. Now remember, a factor is numbers that are multiplied together. What did I just do with my pen? One moment, please. Okay, I guess I'm switching to blue. So we have a 10 here, okay, and a 3. This 3 is called an exponent. This 10 is our base. Well, that's all good and dandy, Miss Ray, but what do you mean by that? Okay. 10 to the third power is how you would say this. 10 to the third power. Oops, how to say this. Okay, how to say that is 10 to the third power. What does it mean? It means 10 times 10 times 10. 10 multiplied by itself 3 times. These are factors. Okay, 10 to the third power equals 10 times 10 times 10. The number up here is how many 10s you have. So I know that this would be 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. So this is expanded form. And this is word form. There we go. So this is standard form. Standard form, word form, expanded form. So let me give you one example. Okay? I'm actually going to do it in a different color. We're going to go like this. Okay? Find the value equals, that means to solve. If it says find the value, solve it. Okay? 10 to the fourth power. Okay? I always want to say 10 is our friend. 10 is our friend. So we always have to have the 10 here. 10 is our friend. Okay? That is why I say that, because we have to multiply the 10 together, not the 4. It's not 10 times 4. 10 is our friend, so we have more than one. Okay? 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000. Here is a trick on how to do it without doing the multiplication. Okay? I'm going to get my, let's see, where'd my red pen go? There. Okay. So 10 is our friend. Write the 1 and then the exponent number, which is 4, tells you how many times to move the decimal. To the right. So going back here, I have 10 to the 4th. I have 1 here. Your decimal is always there if you don't see it. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my decimal place. I have to put zeros in the places where there's no numbers. 10,000, 10,000. There's a trick. Ms. Soretta will give you more questions and a couple practice for you to work on before we move on to your Envision.